And guys, as you can see, all scripts are added successfully. Hello there people, and welcome back to my channel. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started and go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called abload.com. Type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. Let me just show you. Go to your profile on your Roblox, okay, and just copy your profile link. Super easy. Let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button, just press and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. So let me click continue and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is select on button and select scripts that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select these all scripts. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel to support this channel. So let's go to the next step. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here and free click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher when the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together. So if you have this message, you're on the right way, so let's wait together. Verification successful, thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see. Okay, so let me play this Blox Verge. And guys, as you can see, I'm now in the game and we have this message: thank you for using Delta. So let me click here. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully. You can search the scripts, okay. And guys, as you can see, all scripts are added successfully, and this is amazing method. So thank you for watching this review and see you in the next video. Bye.